There's a reason you felt drawn to this message. Your intuition and your guides have led you here. Ready for the message meant only for you? Welcome to Mystic Enchantress 1111.
Today we'll do love reading for the month of December for all fire signs. We have done a general reading for all fire signs together. Today we'll do individually for each fire sign. So I already pre-shuffled the cards. We'll see how it goes. We'll do for Aries, Aries, this is your energy, Three of Pentacles, and this is your partner's energy, Ace of Swords, and this is the mutual connection between you both, the Fool, and challenges or resolution to be taken is Four of Cups. We'll also pull out guidance message or guidance message from Oracle card. Your guidance message for the month of December, Aries, is transformation. Okay? Aries, your current energy is Three of Pentacles. That means you need collaboration, or you need teamwork, or you need to group up with someone to take a decision. So it can be whatever you are thinking in the month of December. Don't take a decision alone, because you need someone to guide you, and you need to discuss that thing with either your family or friends and try to take decision considering the advice of others as well. And your partner's energy is Ace of Swords. They might be thinking in different direction or different way or out of box. That idea will give them growth and success. So this can be, maybe you both are planning to move forward in your love life. That is the reason the spirit guides are asking you to take decision while consulting or while discussing with family and friends, and the new decision which your partner will be taking, or the new idea which your partner will get, will make your life successful, and it will give you growth in your relationship. Not only growth, I can see the stability as well. And the mutual connection between you both are like, you both are childish and you are very emotionally bonded. You are very innocent. But remember, you have support from your family and friends, and whatever step you take ahead in your love life, that will give you success and growth, also stability. But thing is that whatever you think in a right way, take advice from others. Don't be innocent or childish while taking decision. And the challenge or resolution is either you or your partner are ignoring few things to take a decision. So you are only thinking about few things which you have lost, but you are not able to understand what is available in front of you. So the resolution what you need to take, or the challenge what you may be facing in month of December, is stop ignoring or stop sulking on the past things which you have already lost, and try to focus on the present energy which will give you success and growth eventually. And the overall guidance from the universe or your spirit guides is transformation. Your relationship with one another is about to deepen. Love conquers and transforms all things. So, as I said, this guidance message will reflect your reading, because you need to take a decision, but take advice from your family and friends, and what idea your partner will get, that will give you success and growth in your relationship. You both have strong bond, and you are very innocent and complement each other, and your relationship will be successful in whatever next step you take. But thing is that just you need to leave the past issues and focus on the present. and you need to transform from the past to welcome the new future. This will deepen your relationship with one another. Hope this resonates, Aries. Now we'll do December love reading for Leos. Okay, Leo, let's pull out what is the current energy of your love in the month of December. Leo, this will be your energy. Two of Swords, your partner's energy, Page of Cups, mutual connection between you both, Ace of Cups, and the challenge or the resolution you need to take in the month of December is Hangman. We'll also pull out the guidance message for overall month for Leos. If you could do anything, what would it be? The answer dwells in your heart, not in your mind. For the heart is the gateway to your soul. Okay. So this means whatever the action or decision you need to take, you need to think with your heart, not with your brain. Because relationships tend to emerge from heart, not from brain. And your current energy, Leos, you are stuck between two situations where you are weighing options and you want to take a decision. So you are trying to weigh options on both sides and see which is better for you, and you have to choose between these two. And don't worry, though you are weighing options and you feel depressed for a moment or you feel low for a moment, emotionally low for a moment, don't worry, whatever action you take, that will be successful. And your partner's current energy is they are thinking about something which they are thinking about some missed opportunity in their life, or they are thinking that if they don't take a decision, then that will cause them to lose an opportunity. So this can be, if you can relate your energy and your partner's energy, you're trying to weigh options between two different situations, and your partner is thinking that if they don't take a proper decision, then they have to lose something. So it can be a same situation where you are trying to take a decision. Either you want to choose between your partner, love, or maybe it can be your family or career. So you're trying to weigh options, or you're trying to think in which way to go. Similarly, your partner is thinking if they don't take a proper decision, then there is a high chance they may lose you. Okay? And the mutual connection between both of you is Ace of Cups. So you're emotionally fulfilled. You both are emotionally fulfilled, and there is a divine blessing in your life, and your love is flowing very peacefully, and I can see growth and harmony in your love. So your mutual connection is very strong, Leos. And the challenge you face or the resolution you need to take in the month of December is you need to surrender, because both of you are trying to take some decision or try to act on something or try to choose something, but sometimes in life you have to surrender yourself rather than acting on situations. So the resolution what you need to take or the challenges what you might face is, you might face a challenge where you have to choose one decision or one direction. The resolution is that you need to let go or surrender yourself for the situation and pause a bit to take a decision or to act on that decision. So if you can just pause, surrender yourself, then I can see success and growth. That says your overall guidance is, if you could do anything, what would it be? So whatever you need to do, you have to take the decision with your heart rather than your mind. So while deciding, both you and your partner, think with your heart rather than with your brain, because you have very emotionally strong relationship and you both are very fulfilled. The thing is that in situations like this, you need to surrender and let go of few things, which will eventually give you growth in your love life. Hope this resonates, Leo. Now we'll do reading for Sagittarius. Sagittarius, this will be your energy, current energy, and this will be your partner's current energy, and this will be your mutual connection. Your energy is Five of Swords, your partner's current energy is Nine of Wands, and your mutual connection is Six of Swords. And the challenges you may face or resolution you need to take is Four of Pentacles. And we'll pull out the overall guidance message for Sagittarius in the month of December. Look deep within your heart and you will feel my love. My love for you is as deep as the ocean. Okay. So Sagittarius, your current energy is you are either being betrayed by someone or someone is tricking you. So you're not able to see what exactly is happening in your love life. This can be some third party or someone known to you who are trying to trick you or betray you. And you don't know what exactly is happening because you're not seeing what exactly is going in your life or especially in your love life. So just be cautious, Sagittarius. Someone is trying to betray you or someone is trying to trick you. And your partner's current energy is Nine of Wands. So your partner is trying to set up some boundaries. They are very isolated. They feel very isolated and they feel very depressed. I guess there is something to do with your energy and your partner's energy. Someone is trying to trick you or betray you. That can be someone who is third party or it can be your partner. Or even your partner is suffering because of the third party. That is the reason your partner is setting up some boundaries and they are feeling depressed at the moment. The energy is not good, Sagittarius. There is something going on. You just need to be cautious. The mutual connection between you and your partner is either you or your partner wanted to leave this connection and move on to something better. Because you or your partner is under some pressure to take a decision to move on to something better and leave this connection. So this is your mutual connection. And the challenge you may face is either you or your partner are very possessive about your finances or they are very resistant in terms of the finances. So this might be the challenge which triggered either your partner or someone, some third person who is trying to cheat you or trick you, and that is causing your partner to set up some boundaries because they are feeling depressed. And maybe either you or your partner or both of you are thinking to leave this connection and move on to something better because of the challenges you are facing. Either you or partner are financially showing very resistance. That is the reason, might be the main reason for the challenges you are facing. But someone of you are saying that look deep within your heart and you will feel my love. My love for you is as deep as the ocean. So either you or your partner are saying this to the other person. So Sagittarius, I'm so sorry, your reading is not good. So just be cautious and watch on things going on in your surrounding because someone is trying to trick you, and there is some issue with the finances between you and your partner, which is making your partner or you to move on, leave this relationship and move on. Okay? Hope this resonates, Sagittarius. Thank you for being here, my beautiful souls. If this message resonated, subscribe to stay connected with these divine readings. Share your thoughts in the comments and send this message to someone who needs it. Stay blessed, stay aligned, and I'll connect with you in the next reading.